Hi there, you guys. Welcome back. Happy Thursday. We've almost made it to Friday. Today is the 8th of October, and I'm going to go over kind of what we did in class today and what your assignments are for this evening. You will be continuing to work on IXL D1 and Read Theory. Those are due tomorrow. Okay, that is when midterm ends, is tomorrow. On Friday the 9th is when I'm putting grades in. Anything that you have missing will become a 0, so make sure that you are getting your work turned in to me. Today we worked on a fun activity about biographies, so I will go over that with you, and it should be attached to this assignment on Google Classroom. So here's the Digging Up Dirt biographies. You'll be researching an inventor of your choice from my approved list, or you may choose someone else as long as you clear it with me. You'll become an expert on this inventor because you will be digging up dirt on their life. We talked a little bit about what a biography truly is. I'm sorry. A biography is an account of someone's life written by someone else. We have been reading the Nikola Tesla biography together, so this is kind of relating to that a little bit. You'll be writing your biography in full sentences, not bullet points, and sharing your findings. Obviously, you will not be sharing your findings with the class, but please share them with me. Make sure that you hit the share button or the turn in button when you are finished. I'll show you your list of inventors to choose from here in a moment, but here are the things that you should include: their birth and death date, where they were born, facts about their family life, facts about their childhood, education, what did they invent and why was it important, their job, and if they have died, how did they die? Okay, there is a space for you to type right here. I am going to ask that you just delete all of this and just type it right directly on that page. Okay, and we can do that. And here's your list of inventors. Make sure that you're hitting the pause button if you need to write down who you would like to choose. Take as long as you need because you can control this video as you wish. So here is where the list of famous inventors is located. And we also worked on our first read, guide, and comprehension questions. So we did start a new story today. Now I'll show you how to get there to your new story from the online textbook. So you go in through Google Classroom, you click on the online textbook tab, and it should take you to your online student edition textbook. And mine will look a little bit different than yours since I am on the teacher side of things, but I'm getting there slowly but surely. Okay. And this will take us to the Unit 1 page to begin. We are still in Unit 5, so we will hit the 3 lines up at the top right corner with the menu button, and then the table of contents to take us to Unit number 5. We are still working in our small groups, so we will click on small group learning, but we are now finished with this text. We are moving on to From the Invention of Everything Else. So your goal for the day should be to listen to the story. It's a little long. Okay, it is 27 minutes to listen to, but it is well worth it. So we will be listening to the story, and then there is a first read guide attached to this assignment that you will be completing. There is a list of 3 of the blue vocab terms. The vocab terms I'm going to tell you right now. They are triumph, deficiencies, and revolutionized. Since you do not have your book to write these down, I am going to show you right here how to find it. So you will be canceling out, hitting the little blue X in the top right corner of the search bar and going to the glossary. In the glossary, you are going to find these words. So triumph starts with a T. So we will look for the T's and find triumph in here. There it is right there. You will put down the word in the definition. Okay, so the word is triumph, means victory or success. Then you will find deficiencies. Deficiencies is located right here. It means lackings, missing, essentials. Okay, deficiencies. And then for the last word, we are looking up revolutionized. So we will click on the R and we will look for revolutionized right there. And revolutionized means drastically changed or improved. Okay, so that will be the first 3 responses that you will put on your first read guide. You will then be listening to the story, which we just looked at, boom, right there. You'll be listening to the story and filling in this who, what, when, where, why chart. So you are going to put who the story is about, what the story is about, when it occurred, where it occurred, and why it was written. Okay, make sure that you get that turned into me as soon as you can. And that is all that we accomplished today. We did not get to the comprehension questions. So we will be working on the comprehension questions tomorrow during class. I will post another video for you guys letting you kind of know what is going on tomorrow. Have a wonderful evening and enjoy the sunshine. Bye.